G'day, Josh Giumelli here from Farming Ahead magazine, and today we're in the Hare and Forbes warehouse and we're talking workshop presses. So we thought we might run over a few things to look for if you're buying a workshop press for your workshop or for the farm. This little fella here, about $1,000, I reckon it's pretty good value. It has air over a hydraulic jack, so you can operate it manually or with compressed air. Probably not the feature you need the most to look out for, I suppose. The table is manually adjusted, so you've got to lift that up by hand. But it does have a traversing head, so you can slide the head in just to fine tune the position of what you're pressing. And pressure gauge is always a good thing. If we look at something maybe like this one here, now that's almost double the price. It's a 15-tonne model. But it's got a few more really snazzy features. You've got a hand wheel here to, I suppose, lower the plunger rather than having to move the table or crank the jack. You've got a traversing head which is actually on a crank handle. So by turning the crank handle here, you can move the head backwards and forwards. And notably, you can actually raise and lower the table using a ratchet winch system. So you basically pull these out, raise the table up or lower it down to suit the item that you're working on. And it's not such a bad thing because sometimes when you put an item in the press, it's pretty heavy and you might have to reposition that during the pressing operation. You know, if you're moving a bearing off a long shaft, sometimes you have to move the table with the full weight of what you're doing on it. So a few features there that are probably worth looking out for.